Do you believe true beauty is only on the outside? Or is real beauty hidden deep within the heart? Hello, my dear students. Today, your bee is buzzing with a story that will change the way you think.
On a cold, stormy night, a lost traveler entered a strange, glowing castle. Inside, he found a red rose shining under glass. He reached out to take it, and a terrifying roar shook the halls. From the darkness stepped a giant beast, furious and frightening. The traveler fell to his knees, begging for mercy. But the beast gave him a cruel choice: send someone in his place, or stay forever.
You dare steal from me?
When the traveler told his daughter Belle, she made a brave choice. Without fear, she rode alone through the dark forest to the beast's castle.
Father, I will fix this, I promise.
She agreed to stay if her father could go free.
I came to take my father's place.
You would stay here forever?
Curiosity led Belle to a forbidden room. There, she discovered the enchanted rose, glowing as its petals slowly fell. The beast caught her and roared in anger, and Belle ran away in fear. Lost in the snowy forest, Belle was surrounded by wolves. Suddenly, the beast appeared and fought them off, getting hurt while saving her.
Run away!
Back at the castle, Belle gently cared for the beast's wounds. For the first time, they saw kindness in each other, and their hearts began to change.
You saved my life.
One evening, the castle ballroom filled with golden light. Belle and the beast shared a beautiful dance, and hope began to grow between them.
This castle feels alive tonight.
It hasn't felt alive in years.
Meanwhile, an angry hunter led villagers to the castle with torches and weapons. A storm raged as they marched to destroy the beast.
The beast must be destroyed! Destroy us!
On the castle rooftop, the beast fought the hunter in the middle of thunder and lightning. He fought not with hate, but to protect Belle.
You're just a I'm a monster!
The beast fell, weak and wounded, as the last petal dropped from the rose. Belle held him close, tears falling, and whispered that she loved him.
Love you.
Suddenly, golden magic filled the air. The beast transformed into a human prince, and the curse was broken.
You saved me.
He told Belle that long ago, he had been selfish and cruel, and an enchantress had cursed him. Only true love before the last rose petal fell could save him. Belle's love broke the spell. Soon after, they were married, and together they ruled the kingdom with kindness, living happily ever after.
So, my dear students, did you see? Real beauty, true beauty is always in the heart, in our good actions and kindness.
Remember, it's not about how we look, it's about what's inside. Now let's learn some words of the day from this amazing story. Let's check them out together. Ready?
Today's first word is transformation. It means a complete change. Happened because Belle loved his true self. Today's second word is compassion. It means showing kindness and care for others. Belle showed compassion when she was kind to the beast. Now it's your turn to practice. Use these words to make new sentences, and don't forget to practice daily. Love today's story? Then buzz the subscribe button and join our Story Beehive. Don't miss out on more adventures. Now, your bee is buzzing off, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye-bye!